What's up, cyber friends? Kyser here, Advent Cyber, day 7. Let's go. Day 7, web exploitation, migration without security. The development team that handles gift requests from children migrated over to a new technology stack. In doing so, they left their application vulnerable, and Grinch Enterprises now controls access to the system. Fortunately, Grinch Enterprises forgot to patch the system, so you can use the same vulnerability to retrieve the gift requests for the students. What is NoSQL? A NoSQL database refers to a non-relational database that is short for non-SQL and not only SQL. It is a data storing and data retrieving system. NoSQL databases are commonly used nowadays for big data and IoT devices due to their powerful features such as fast queries, easy use to developers, scale easily, and flexible data structure. Today we'll cover the basic concepts of NoSQL databases and information gathering, enumeration, and exploiting NoSQL vulnerabilities. Understanding NoSQL. Various types of NoSQL databases can be covered, including MongoDB, Couchbase, RavenDB, etc. However, in this task we'll focus on MongoDB database, a free and popular document store NoSQL database. NoSQL injection is a web security vulnerability that allows the attacker to have control over the database. The NoSQL injection happens by sending queries via untrusted and unfiltered web application input, which leads to leaked, unauthorized information. In addition, the attacker can use the NoSQL injection to perform various operations such as modifying data, escalating privileges, DOS attacks, and others. Answer the following questions below. Interact with the MongoDB server to find the flag. What is the flag? Alright, let's go find this flag. Alright, so we're going to start machine and we'll start our attack box. Wait for these to load up. Alright, the attack box is loaded. Let's go ahead and launch the terminal. Once the terminal is loaded up, we want to run this command right here. Hit enter. It says the credentials is these, so the password, TryHackMe, TryHackMe, enter. And we're logged in, look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the Mongo command here, M-O-N-G-O, enter. See if that does anything here. So it looks like we're connected. So now we got to run the show command. So we'll do that, S-H-O-W, hit enter. Oh, we have to show databases. There we go. So these are our databases right here. Oh, look, there is a database called flag database. So I bet you our flag is in there. We're gonna do the use command. Use flag database. Enter. Switch to flag database. All right, and then we'll do db.get collection names. Flag call. Okay, so this might be a collection name that we need. Alright. db.flag call.find. And that's the flag right there. Look at that. This is the flag right here. Ooh, okay. That was pretty fun. That was pretty easy. And that should work. Woo woo! Answer's correct. Look at my streak. 9, baby. 9 days in a row. We discussed how to bypass login pages as an admin. Can you log into the application enterprise controls as admin and retrieve the flag? Use the knowledge given in AOC day 4 to set up and run burp suite proxy to intercept for the login page, then modify the post parameter. So to do that, we have to go to Firefox and we need to navigate to our database server. In this case, it is right there. So we can just do 10.10.125.126, hit enter. This should take us to, yep, this is it. This is the Grinch gift request web app. Search for user to request in our Mongo database. So at this point we want to run burp. So to run burp, we come up here and click on the browse apps, hover over other, and then burp suite. And what we want to do now is we want to go back to Firefox. And then we want to log in with admin. So type in admin. And then the password at this point doesn't matter. So just give it some dummy data. And then make sure you turn on burp. So come up here to the Foxy proxy and turn on burp like this. And then hit search. And as you can see right here, this red indicator means burp intercepted that request. This website is going to hang. That's okay. So come back over here to burp. And if we go over to proxy, we can see that's orange, means it's got a request. So we'll go to proxy, and this is the request that we just sent to it. You can see username, admin, password, and then the dummy data that I gave it. We need to change the password so it's not equal to anything. So in the example here, they tell us to do password, brackets, $NE, and then equals admin. So that's what we'll type in here. So we'll do bracket, $NE, close bracket, equals, and then it doesn't matter what you put here as the password. You can keep your dummy data there. And what the bracket $NE means means not equal. So it's the request is telling that the password is not equal to this, and it should let us log in. And then to try that, we would right click, send to repeater, click on your repeater tab. So this is the request right here, and we can go ahead and send this request to the target, which is our web server at 10.10.125.126. So send, and then we can go back to Firefox, and hopefully we are logged in. Turn off burp, close and refresh, and there we go. Welcome admin. So we logged in as the admin, and our flag, as you can see, it's right here. Click on flag, scroll down, and the flag is right here. Next question, once you logged in, use the gift search page to search all usernames that have guest roles. What is the flag? So if we look up the lecture, it tells us how to do that. So here's the example URL, but we're focusing on this back half here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, copy this, and you want to paste it into here, and then close out of that, and we want to back all the way up to that first slash and paste that into there. So right here at the username field, it doesn't matter because we're searching for all users, so the username does not matter. So in that case, we want to change username, and then we want to put a bracket here, and then $, not equal, close bracket, equals, and then the username doesn't matter. You can leave it as Ben. And then the role, this is important here. So role, we want the role. We don't want user, we want guest. So we'll delete user, and we'll fill this in with guest, and then hit enter. And this should pull all users that have the guest role. So we'll scroll down. We got a user here, guest, and then right there's a flag. So this is the flag for the next question. That's it right there. Next question. Use a gift search page to perform NoSQL injection and retrieve the McSkitty record. What is the details record? So this is almost the same thing, but instead of having username not equal to, we want to get rid of the not equals to here, because the username in this case matters because we're looking for McSkitty's user. So we'll delete the not equals, and we'll delete Ben, and we'll fill this in with McSkitty. And then for the role, we don't know the role, so this is where we'll put role bracket $, not equal to, close bracket, and then the role doesn't matter because we're setting it not equal to anything, and then we'll hit enter, and this should tell us McSkitty's role. So we'll scroll down, and there we go. So we got ID, this is McSkitty's ID, logins McSkitty, and McSkitty's role is admin. And this is actually the entire answer to the next question. And that's it. That's pretty self-explanatory, not too challenging. It's a lot similar to Days 4 challenge. It's why they actually tell you to go back and look at Day 4 and pretty much do a very similar attack. But that's it. That's the challenge. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you got some value at today's video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button, and then hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. Got more admin and cyber on the way, so hopefully I see you in the next video. Peace out. Take care. Have a good one. Kyser, out.